Hey everyone, Matt with Gulf Coast here. Today we're looking at a 4718 Sabal Key Drive. This is a cute 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. It's located in a gated community of Sabal Key, which is right off of State Road 70 and Lockwood Ridge in Bradenton. The community also does have access to a community pool, tennis court, basketball court, kids playground, so you do have a nice set of amenities. Walking in, we have the living area on the first floor and the bedroom on the second. Notice the nice tile here. Nice window. View of the kitchen, which we'll go see. Nice dining area here. Excuse me. You do have a half bath downstairs. So your half bath there. And we'll take a look at the kitchen. And you can see you do have a lanai as well. So view of the kitchen, which again looks right out to the living room, dining area. A lot of counter space, fully equipped. Let me open this up. You do also have your washer and dryer, along with a little pantry as well. Let me show you the lanai one more time. So, covered lanai, not air conditioned, looks back nice and private. And you have a storage area in here as well. And then we'll go upstairs and we'll take a look at the bedrooms. So when we get upstairs, right off to our left, we have one of the 2 guest bedrooms. Come on in and I'll turn you around so you can see the view. Closet. And let's go take a look at the bathroom and the master. So here would be the shared bathroom. I do have 2 sinks. And you do have a nice soaking tub / shower. And you do have access to this from the master bedroom as well. So I'll walk into the master now and show you guys that. Huge room, tons of natural light. And let me get to the end and turn around so you can see. And again, just looks back to kind of a preserve area. So nice and private. Not 1, but 2 closets. And you can just see the size, and there's entrance to the bathroom. So real big room here. That will do it for this one. If you have any questions or any interest, you can go on our website, take a look at more pictures and book a showing. I will see you guys soon.